It is Friday afternoon, April 2nd, 2021. I've been working on the right wing, which is on the portrayal of the victim's left shoulder. Alright, just a couple lines here just for the video. Working on a little bit of metaphoric movement here. That's ironic. I just noticed this shape here. It almost brings to mind like one of the mouths of one of the sea monsters I've depicted in a number of recent works in the Under the Wing series, as well as in the Sightseeing with Vision and Companion Human Rights art series. Alright, there you have it for now. To be continued. This is part 4 of my video documentation. Under the Wings 40. A girl on a sidewalk in the Warsaw ghetto.